to predictability. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This old world's confused.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High School. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, February 11th, and it is a day 6. Today for lunch is cheese or specialty pizza, roasted chickpeas, pear, and pudding. By the way, ice cream is back and it's only $1. You must have money in your lunch account or $1 in hand in order to buy it. If anyone is interested in being in next year's drama club, please see Mr. Loss ASAP. There will be a one-act play this spring for those interested. Sounds fun. In general information, the Student Council is organizing a pre-winter vacation spirit week to get our spirits up before winter break. We are looking for 100% participation every single day. Here are the spirit week days voted for by you. Monday, upperclassmen wear pink and underclassmen wear red. Tuesday is anything but a backpack day. Wednesday is country versus country club. Thursday is decade day, and Friday is PJ day. Sounds like fun. Now over to Brett for this day in history.
Thanks, guys. Today in history, in 1990, James Buster Douglas shocks the world with the 10th round knockout against Mike Tyson to win the world heavyweight boxing title in Tokyo, Japan. Back to you guys for athletics and esports.
Thank you, Brett. In athletics, boys JV and varsity basketball play at home tonight versus Maynard. JV's at 5, varsity's at 6:30. Girls JV and varsity basketball play away tonight at South High. JV at 5, varsity at 6:30. ESports will meet today after school from 2 to 4. Come on down and enjoy gaming in room 200. Now let's check in with Audrey for the weather.
Thanks, guys. Happy Friday. Today's weather and this weekend is looking pretty nice. We have a high of 49, a low of 39. It's going to be pretty sunny once again. You guys should get together with your friends, go out and have some fun this weekend with this nice weather. Back to you guys.
In other news, attention teachers, Mr. Lev's CSL class sent you a survey. Please complete as soon as you can. Your help is much appreciated. Now it's time for our clip of the week.
Ice skating on a skate.
Have a great day, Sutton High.